Replacing your windows is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your Dallas home. New windows can improve energy efficiency, reduce outside noise, enhance curb appeal, and increase overall comfort. But if you've never gone through a window replacement project before, you may be wondering what the process involves. Understanding what to expect can help you feel confident, prepared, and excited about the results. Step 1. Initial consultation and assessment. Every successful window replacement project begins with a professional consultation. During this visit, a window specialist will evaluate your current windows, discuss your goals, and help you choose the right styles and materials for your home. In Dallas, where hot summers and sudden storms are common, energy efficiency and weather resistance are especially important. You'll likely review options such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, vinyl or fiberglass frames, impact-resistant glass. If desired, precise measurements are taken to ensure a proper fit. Accuracy at this stage is critical to prevent drafts and performance issues later. Step 2. Ordering and scheduling. Once you've selected your windows, they are custom ordered to match your home's exact dimensions. Because most replacement windows are made to order, this stage may take a few weeks. Your installation team will coordinate scheduling and provide a timeline so you know when to expect installation day. Step 3. Preparing your home before installation begins. There are a few simple steps you can take to prepare. Remove curtains, blinds, or window treatments. Clear furniture away from window areas. Secure pets in a safe space. Remove fragile wall decor nearby. Professional crews typically lay down protective coverings to safeguard floors and surrounding areas. In Dallas homes, where projects often take place during warm weather, installers work efficiently to minimize the time openings are exposed. Step 4. Removal of old windows. On installation day, the team will carefully remove your existing windows. They take care not to damage surrounding trim or siding. Once the old windows are out, the installers inspect the window opening for signs of wood rot, moisture damage, structural issues. If any minor repairs are needed, they are typically addressed before installing the new window. Step 5. Installing the new windows. The new replacement windows are positioned into the prepared opening and secured. Installers ensure each unit is level, square, and properly aligned. Insulation is added around the frame to eliminate gaps, and high-quality sealants are applied to prevent air and water infiltration. In Dallas, proper sealing is especially important to protect against heat infiltration and sudden rainstorms. After installation, each window is tested to ensure smooth operation and secure locking. Step 6. Finishing touches and cleanup. Once all windows are installed, the crew completes interior and exterior trim work as needed. They clean the glass, remove debris, and haul away your old windows. A final walkthrough ensures you're satisfied with the installation and understand how to operate and maintain your new windows. How long does it take? Most Dallas window replacement projects are completed in 1 to 2 days, depending on the number of windows being replaced. Larger projects may take slightly longer. Professional installers work efficiently while maintaining attention to detail. The benefits you'll notice right away after your window replacement project is complete. You may immediately notice reduced drafts, improved indoor comfort, lower outside noise, brighter, clearer views, enhanced curb appeal. Over time, you may also see reduced energy bills due to improved insulation. A smooth upgrade for Dallas homeowners. While window replacement may seem like a major project, professional planning and installation make the process straightforward and manageable. For Dallas homeowners, replacing outdated windows is an investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term home value. Knowing what to expect helps ensure the experience is smooth and the results are well worth it.